Good morning friends. Last period we see Fraunhofer's diffraction due to a single slit and the conditions for bright maximas and minimas in diffraction pattern. Also we see Young's double slit experiment to obtain the steady interference pattern before the diffraction. Now in this period we have to see the difference between Young's double slit interference pattern and single slit diffraction pattern. म्हणजे आपल्याला ह्या दोन याच्यामधला डिफरन्स पाहायचा आहे. यंग्स डबल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेंट इंटरफरन्स पॅटर्न आणि फ्रॉनहोफर्स डायफ्रॅक्शन ड्यू टू अ सिंगल स्लिट डायफ्रॅक्शन पॅटर्न. यंग्स डबल स्लिट इंटरफरन्स पॅटर्न मध्ये आपण पाहिलं होतं की द टू स्लिट्स आर much thinner than the separation between these two slits, and the separation between the two slits is few millimeter. And in this case, in this pattern, in this experiment, 30 to 40 fringes are observed on the screen, and all these fringes are of equal brightness. Bright fringes are of equal brightness, are of equal intensity. But in single slit diffraction pattern, the single slit is below 1 millimeter in width, and in this case 20 to 30. Here 30 to 40 fringes will be obtained. Here 20 to 30 fringes will be obtained. But all fringes are not of equal brightness. Means we can say that first difference is in Young's double slit interference pattern, all bright bands, all bright fringes are of equal brightness, are of equal intensity. But in single slit diffraction pattern, all bright bands are not of equal intensity, equal brightness. The central bright fringe is brightest of all the bright fringes. Means the first difference between these two are the bright fringes are not of equal intensity. Bright fringes are not of equal brightness or intensity. This is the first difference between Young's double slit interference pattern and single slit diffraction pattern. Similarly, in Young's double slit interference pattern, the fringe width, all bright bands or dark bands are of equispaced equal width. सगळे ब्राईट बँड आणि सगळे डार्क बँड हे इक्वल विड्थचे असतात. परंतु in single slit diffraction pattern, the width will be goes on decreasing, or central bright fringe is double in width than of the all other bright fringes, not of equal width. Third, in Young's double slit interference pattern, all bright fringes are perfectly dark. All bright fringes are perfectly dark. And in single slit diffraction pattern, the intensity will be goes on decreasing, or the dark fringes are not of perfectly dark. And the main difference between these two are in single slit diffraction pattern. The two sources of light, the two slits acts as the two separate coherent sources. The two slits will be acts as two separate coherent sources. In single slit diffraction pattern, the two parts of the same wavefront will be acts as the two sources. Two different sources, the two different parts of the same wavefront will be acts as the sources in single slit diffraction pattern. Two different parts of same wavefront acts as the two sources to obtain the diffraction pattern, and these are the four differences between Young's double slit interference pattern and single slit diffraction pattern. Now we have to see the example in wave optics. म्हणजे आतापर्यंत थिअरीचा पार्ट आटोपलेला आहे चॅप्टर मधला. राहिला पार्ट जो आहे रिझॉल्विंग पॉवर, लिमिट ऑफ रिझोल्यूशन, रिझॉल्विंग पॉवर ऑफ टेलिस्कोप मायक्रोस्कोप, की जो आपल्याला बोर्डाच्या सिलेबस मध्ये सध्या नाही आहे या वर्षी पुरता, त्यामुळे आपण तो इथेच थांबू. म्हणजे हा झाला डिफरन्स बिटवीन यंग डबल स्लिट इंटरफरन्स पॅटर्न आणि सिंगल स्लिट डायफ्रॅक्शन पॅटर्न, हा शेवटचा पॉइंट झाला. नाउ वी हॅव टू सी द एक्झाम्पल. Plane wavefront of light of wavelength 5500 angstrom unit, means we have given the wavelength lambda is equal to 5500 angstrom unit, means it is equal to 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. If the total separation of 10 fringes on screen 2 meter away, means the distance capital D is equal to 2 meter and the distance of 10 fringes given as 2 centimeter, means width 10 W is equal to 10x or 10 W, that is width of single fringe. 10 fringes ची width दिलेली आहे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी 2 centimeter, means 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter, means we get width, fringe width is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Now we have to find the distance between two slits, that is small d is equal to what? Now we have the formula. We have fringe width W is equal to lambda capital D upon small d. We have to calculate small d. We get small d is equal to lambda capital D upon W. We have the values. Lambda is equal to 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 multiplied by 2. Capital D is equal to 2 and divided by W is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. That means 2 get cancel. We get the answer, the small d between, that is the slit separation is equal to 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. न्यूमरेटर ला गेल्यानंतर प्लस 3 होतील. 7 मधून 3 गेले minus 4 meter. That means 0.55 millimeter. 5.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter means 5.5 millimeter, and this is the example, first example in this wave optics. Now the second problem is in Young's double slit experiment. The distance in optical path lengths between the rays starting from slits S1 and S2 and reaching a point A on the screen is 0.0075 millimeter, means path difference at A is given 0.0075 millimeter is equal to 75 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Later on, reaching another point B on the screen, the other side of central fringe is 0.0015 millimeter, means path difference at B. Path difference at B is equal to 15 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Means these 2 points are on the two sides. One is one side and other is on the other side of the central bright fringe. And the wavelength is given 6 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter, and we have to find how many bright and dark fringes are observed between A and B. We can calculate the path difference at A. Path difference at A upon wavelength lambda is equal to 75 into 10 to the power minus 7 upon 6 into 10 to the power minus 7 is equal to 12.5. Therefore, path difference at A is equal to 12.5 times lambda. 12.5 times lambda, that means 13 minus half into lambda. Similarly, we can calculate path difference at B upon lambda is equal to, we can write 15 upon 6 is equal to 2.5. Therefore, path difference at B is equal to 2.5 lambda. This lambda goes here, that is 2.5 lambda, and this can be written as 3 minus half into lambda. This is the path difference at A and this is the path difference at B. Therefore, the total number of bright fringes between A and B, bright fringes between A and B, we can write 12 plus 2 and plus central bright fringe, that is 1, it is equal to 15 bright fringes will be obtained between A and B, and excluding central bright fringe we get 14 dark fringes between A and B. Number of dark fringes is equal to 14. Means these are, therefore in between A and B 15 bright fringes and 14 dark fringes will be obtained.